Hey, if you were interested in learning how to make an incredibly delicious salad that everyone will eat, you have come to the right place. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are day 15 of our Thanksgiving 2022 countdown. This month is Diabetes Awareness Month, and Thanksgiving just so happens to fall on this day. Now, I know that there are so many people that are trying to be good for their type 2 diabetes or their high blood pressure or heart disease. So we're here for you to share with you delicious options for this Thanksgiving holiday. So we have provided some really incredible recipes from all the way from turkey and stuffing to macaroni and cheese and sweet potatoes, and now we're doing our salad. Now, I always like to recommend that you eat your salad before you eat everything else. That way, your body is prepared to digest the food as it comes through that pipeline that we call the gastrointestinal tract. Now, this salad is amazing. It's fresh, it's exciting to eat, and fun to look at. We are making this salad in style. So we have some of the elements of the season, including cranberries. We also have avocado. It makes a beautiful spread. And then one thing that we also like for the items this harvest time of the year are sweet potatoes. So roasted sweet potatoes on top of this salad with beautiful cranberries and my favorite, probably my favorite legume, chickpeas, right on top. And the chickpeas are seasoned. So this salad is full of antioxidants, it's full of anti-inflammatory agents, and it's full of protein and fiber. So you're not missing anything. If you decided that all you wanted to eat on this holiday was this salad, you'd be good, you'd be satiated, and you'd be satisfied. So I've also included two incredibly delicious salad dressings. One's a ranch salad dressing, the other one's an orange thyme salad dressing. Neither of them have oil in it, so you don't have to worry about going off the wagon to have some delicious salad dressing. It is incredible. So I want to know if you can share with me, have you ever used oil-free salad dressings? Wait, how about this? Have you ever made your own salad dressings and not have to worry about the high fructose corn syrup or the very high salt content or the oily contents of the salad dressings that you might find on your grocery store shelf? If you have got to let me know. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that every time a video goes up, it comes down to you. Now live your life by choice and make it an amazing day. Enjoy your holiday season. Let me know what your recipes are for these oil-free, and let me know what your guide in showing you like what kinds of things you can really because we're right here to share with you the incredible